Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and tap here on the sounds section. Then you'll see a ring and notification button panel. Just to mute your device notifications, you should slide this blue dot to the left side with your finger and that's it. But by this way you will mute not only your notifications, or you will mute also ringtones. If you want to stay with ringtones, for example, and you want to mute only notifications, we can just click to the advanced, tap to the default notification sound and switch your currently notification sound just to none. Tap to OK to save the changes, and by this way we'll mute our device notifications and we will stay with the ringtones. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.